What's up, Dachief here. Today we'll be breaking down a video that happened out in Arkansas. Now that is full commitment by this state trooper. Now let's take a look at the beginning of the video and see what transpires that forces this state trooper to take such extreme measures of actually ramming his vehicle into the bad guys. Now, I've actually done this hundreds of times, well, not with that cool state trooper hat. You know, when the vehicle takes off on you, you're sprinting back to your vehicle to give chase.
31 Portsmouth 1037, 1037.
So this is going to go on for a hot minute. Take a look at them speeds down below. 108. I mean, it gets all the way up to almost 111 miles an hour. Now, this is borderline, you know, thinking about terminating that pursuit. So this guy must have really pissed off these state troopers for them to chase him this much. Now, it doesn't really say in the description why they're chasing him. I tried to find it. I mean, it was really hard actually finding that they were Arkansas state troopers.
27 Portsmouth, I'm going to get on.
So now what they're going to try to do is they're going to try to do a pit maneuver. Now, pit maneuver is a pursuit intervention technique. Now, it was actually invented by the FBI back in 1992. Can you believe that? A department that doesn't even pursue. But, so, it was designed by the FBI, and what this technique is that the trooper's going to pull up on the side of the vehicle, and he's going to try to hit that rear quarter panel. When he turns that rear quarter panel, he's going to drive and push that vehicle to cause it to spin out. So here we go. So he's here to state trooper. He's saying pit, 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 and advising dispatch. But unfortunately, it did not work. And the driver takes off the wrong way. Now this is really, really dangerous right here.
Did he cross back over or is he still in the wrong lane? Well, got him right here. He crossed back around.
So there he goes. He's passing on the wrong way. This is dangerous. So he's driving on the other side of the roadway. And you see a trooper chase. I mean, this is crazy right here. I mean, this pursuit would have been terminated probably anywhere else in the U.S. I mean, there's only a few states out there that allow their officers or their troopers to pursue like this. And I guess, obviously, Arkansas is one of them.
Around those sharp curves. Westbound and eastbound lane. He's coming across the median right now. He's off in the median. Okay, we're coming. Now, did you say he was losing a tire or had lost one? He hadn't lost it yet. We tried, and he was having some issues. Alright, 387 is this you coming up on me? Fort Smith, I'm head on with this vehicle right now.
So I can tell you right now, they do not train this anywhere in any academies. This was a decision that this state trooper decided to take upon himself to stop this vehicle because obviously it is a very, very dangerous pursuit. And this is the only way it seems it's going to stop, that they're going to stop this vehicle. Wow. Man, that's true commitment right there. That was a hard hit. You can see him keeping his composure, still focused on the driver, take him into custody. So, there you have it. They took him into custody. This is a crazy pursuit out of Arkansas. Anywhere else, I can guarantee this pursuit would have been terminated. So, if you like the video, go ahead and like it down below. Subscribe. God bless. Stay safe and post your comments. Tell me what you guys think about this video.